passive with will and going to. Also, I would suggest. Will and going to. When's the new house gonna be finished? When will my package be delivered? Will my car be fixed by tomorrow? What time's dinner gonna be served? Is Spanish gonna be offered this year? School will be closed on Friday. When will her new book be published? When's the next Hunger Games movie going to be released? When's the new bridge going to be built? When will the money be refunded? I would suggest checking out the museum. I would suggest going to Gdansk for a weekend. I would suggest asking someone to show you around. I would suggest trying pierogis. I would suggest taking the bus since it's cheaper. I would suggest packing warm clothes. I would suggest going to the Slavinsky National Park. I would suggest going to one of the lakes around Limborg. I would suggest taking a trip to Krakow. I would suggest trying to learn Polish.